Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, this is Melody. Today we're going to cook pumpkin curry, and this is the simplest way to cook tasty pumpkin curry. This year I have noticed something about the pumpkins. I don't know if you have paid attention to it or not. The pumpkin skin is extremely soft and the pumpkin inside is soft, and they are getting spoiled quickly, and when I cook them and I want to use it the next day, they are getting slimy. So something about the pumpkin, pay attention, okay? Right now is the time that you gotta pay attention to everything. Keep your eyes and ears open. Now I have in this pan little bit of cumin seed and little bit of asafoetida. They're getting cooked as we're gonna make sure that's been sauteed properly before we add our onions. So I cut the onion and I do it like this. So this way what happens, so I cut the onion and I drop them in water and leave them in water for 30 minutes so that when I cook them they don't give out so much of smell that your eyes are all watery. So now I'm going to saute this. So these onions will saute for about 10 minutes or so. Then I'm going to add the spices. This is salt, turmeric, garam masala powder, vegetable masala powder, and this is the pumpkin. I cut them into small sizes and clear the skin, but this, as I mentioned to you, the skins are extremely soft, but usually pumpkin skin used to be very hard, and I don't know why this year. Probably all this GMO pumpkin, not only the skin is hard, the pumpkins don't look so good and they look so mushy, and then if you cook it and leave it overnight, next morning they just slimy, which this is the only year I have noticed something like this. I've been eating pumpkin for a very long time. So let me cook this and show you the result. So as you can see, I throw in my pumpkin and my spices, salt, turmeric, garam masala powder, vegetable masala powder, and biryani masala. And now I'm going to cover it up. You can choose to add a little bit of water, or if you don't want, you don't have to add any water. Just be sure your heat is at the very lowest point and cover it up for 10 to 15 minutes until they're all soft. Basically it takes about 10 minutes. So here is my pumpkin curry. As you can see, it's boiling hot and it's done. So here it is, my pumpkin curry looks awesome. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.